In a little while, my soul will leave the earth, will end its exile, will terminate its combat. Here I am, brought to that hour which each of us has so much desired. You know, Lord, that my only ambition is to make you known and loved. Now my desire will be realized. I can only pray and suffer. In order to live in one single act of perfect love, I offer myself as a victim of Holocaust to your merciful love, asking you to consume me incessantly, allowing the waves of infinite tenderness shut up within you to overflow into my soul, and that thus I may become a martyr of your love, O my God. God wills that I abandon myself like a very little child who is not disturbed by what others will do to him. Dying of love is what I hope for. When I shall see my bonds broken, my God will be my great reward. I don't desire to possess other goods. I want to be set on fire with his love. I want to see him, to unite myself to him forever. My God, I love you.